Therapist, has a client ever left you completely stunned? I'll never forget one session. I was working with a 9-year-old boy, and he casually mentioned something that still shocks me. He said he collected his toenails and fingernails in a jar. I asked if his family knew about it, and he shrugged, saying, yeah, they think it's healthy. His mom confirmed it, saying, nails are full of nutrients. They're good for you. But then, things got even stranger. She pulled out a nail clipper right there in my office and started trimming her toenails. She handed the freshly clipped nails to her son, and to my utter disbelief, he began eating them like they were popcorn. I was speechless, my mind racing, trying to understand what I had just witnessed. It was a surreal moment, a reminder that people see the world in very different ways. Sometimes what seems normal to one person can be completely baffling to someone else.